everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be replacing the LCD screen on a Lenovo computer. First we're going to take out these little things. Once you have taken off the covers, you should see screws inside. Now you should have all 3 screws visible. Now you have to unscrew all 3 screws to take the frame off. Now you gently take the frame off, like so.
Oh. Don't touch anything.
Now you must take out all the 4 corner screws. Be careful not to get the surroundings dirty because apparently they are sensitive. Mm-hmm. Now you remove the screws on the side of all 4 corners. Now you take the screen out. Make sure not to disconnect anything. Now you take the wires connecting off of the screen.
Just gently.
This might take a while. Make sure that no parts come off of each other. And it works, so we can keep going. Now you have to pop the screen in place in its shell. Now you have to pop the frame in place, which goes in pretty easily, and then you have to put the 3 screws on the bottom back in. Now your computer should work fine. Hope you enjoyed.